Let's go over to our man, Mr. Teddy Kekstadt at Forex Trading Unlocked. Teddy, what's going on, brother?
Happy Wednesday, guys.
Happy Wednesday.
Teddy,
good morning.
Election's over.
Election's over. Lots of Forex moving last night, man.
Yeah, the U.S. dollar bulls are a little cranky today. How about it?
Yeah, good. I hope they jump off the freaking cliff. I like this move lower. I get the contracts on this, man. For this morning, you don't see this too often. I mean, I know you're basically trading the currency pairs, I'm sure, but in the index, Teddy, you get 26,000 contracts. That means we're going to do like 50,000. The dollar index doesn't do that, man. So they're bailing out left and right here. So
right. Oh, absolutely. Well, if you notice what happened with the Swiss and the dollar right now, we're below parity.
Okay.
So I think that's going to be one of the biggest triggers to watch.
Yeah, interesting, man. Now I want to see that yen get strong like bull.
Right.
Yeah. Hey, what's so funny, man, is that all of these were at points that if they were going to turn, they were going to turn. So we'll see if we're going to get some follow through. I mean.
Oh, absolutely.
You know.
Absolutely. And you were talking about the yen too. It's like this 113 even has just been a pivot for months, and now we're hovering today. Like, it's pretty funny how you see like the U.S. dollar Swiss and the Euro U.S. dollar, and even the pound dollar, how they're excessively moving in one direction today.
I know.
But then the yen, it just had like it's almost like one of those weird, unemployment days where it spikes high, spikes low, and all of a sudden it's in the middle, and you're like, what's going on here?
I just had it out. It doesn't know what to do. Exactly.
Look at the move, yeah.
Yeah. So, does the yen mostly move when the Japanese market is open, or, does it move when our markets are open too?
Oh, absolutely. The yen is pretty free flowing.
Okay.
It's always moving around. It's not just during the Nikkei hours.
Okay.
I mean, those are predominant hours because their currency traders are trading as well. Right. But no, it's all day. It's a 24-hour trade.
Yeah, no, because it's so intriguing that if the yen gets stronger, I said to you before, man, that's when gold can take off, and I'm not quite sure why. But bottom line is that the correlation has been tight for a long period of time. It's like
sure,
yeah, wild. So what else are we going to be looking at this week?
Well, I think that the British pound, the U.S. dollar, that is something to really watch. I mean, when we were talking last week, right before the explosive rally, we were looking for a buy signal. Wow, we got one, and then just off that initial move, just by looking at it, you would think that absorbed most of the initial momentum.
Yeah.
Not so, and so from that initial bottom and from where it's actually gotten to now, and especially with this dollar weakness that we're seeing from the reaction to the election.
Yes.
I think that you're going to see the pound get up to probably 133.10, something like that, around 133 even area. I mean, we were looking for 131 last week. 129, was a base, and look at what happened to it.
Yeah, it got there very fast. You can see the strength. I mean, you get some real buyers in there, and evidently we have some real sellers inside that dollar.
Absolutely.
We'll figure that thing out.
It'd be interesting, man. I can't wait to hear what kind of deal gets made, if it gets made, when it gets made. There'll be a lot of rhetoric before a deal actually gets done, I think, and just fight through some of that rhetoric and make sure it's reality.
Yeah.
Right.
Good luck to all of us on that, right?
No across the board, right?
No doubt.
Yeah.
Well, listen, man, it's always a pleasure. Thanks so much for the update. Look forward to speaking to you next week, Teddy.
Okay, guys.
Thanks
Have
so
a
much,
good
man.
one.
Have a great
Thanks.
one, man.
Take
Have
care.
a safe one.